Go.
Hey, it's Natalie at Cavalcade Ford and Racebridge, and I'm just super excited to show you our featured vehicle of the week. So we have this beautiful Rapid Red Mach-E. It only has 61,000 kilometers on it, and it is the extended range. So let's take a look. So as you can see, the front is open. You can put some storage in there. Not much room, but enough for a bag or two. Moving along to the back, you do have your auto lift tailgate, which is awesome. Opens it up, and then you have your tire repair in the back as well with your mobile charging cord. To close it, you can either press the button again on the remote, to open the vehicles. It's just a simple push of a button and they slide right open for you. In this one, you have your beautiful black seats with the red stitching in it. You have your climate control in the back with your fans. Okay, let's go take a look in the front seat. So this is our fully electric Mustang. You have your beautiful full screen in front of you, your wireless charging mat. You have your center console in here. It's just very neat, very well done. It looks beautiful. You have your full moonroof. You have your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. It is also equipped with Blue Cruise. Blue Cruise is a self-driving mode in blue areas. If you'd like to know more information about that, feel free to reach out. And yeah, if you like this vehicle, let us know, and we'd be happy to get you out on a test drive. Have a great week, and bye for now.